Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Kenmore 600 series friendly bag canister vacuum. If you want more information, please start the video. Features: bag canister vacuum. Multi-purpose design, swivel head, cleans all areas and surfaces in your home, den, kitchen, car and garage. Pet PowerMate. Motorized attachment lifts stubborn pet hair, dander, and dirt quickly from surfaces. Eliminates hair from tangling around the brush. Pop and go brush. Stores inside vacuum, attaches to handle and wand in a snap for bare floor cleaning. Aluminum telescoping wand. Adjustable lightweight wand, lengthens to an extended reach of 10 feet to access difficult areas. Triple Hepa filter system. Enhanced Hepa filter system traps 97% of debris, trapping dander and dust inside the vacuum, reducing the number of allergy-induced pollutants in the room. Powerful cleaning. 2-motor system excels in suction strength and includes 2 floor nozzles with exclusive pop-and-go floor brush. 3 additional attachments are included: crevice tool, dusting brush and bare floor tool. Last up, we have the 81614 of the 600 series. Like the 81414, this is another bag canister vacuum, but the bags are sealed tightly woven fibers to prevent even the tiniest speck of dust from creeping out. The twin-motor system aims to keep the floor head's inlet unclogged for longer by way of sucking in tremendous amounts of air. This model also lets you adjust suction power depending on the surface you're cleaning. The Kenmore 81614's main weapon is a Pet PowerMate floor head that aggressively removes dander, pet hair, and other tiny, hard-to-get floor debris in an instant. Although this vacuum head is made for carpets and rugs, it works well on bare floors without leaving scratch marks in its wake.